If Discord is not opening on your PC, don't worry, this is a common problem and you can fix it quickly with a few simple steps. In this video, I'll show you 3 fast and effective solutions to fix Discord not opening in 2026. The first fix is to run Discord as administrator. Right-click the Discord icon and select Run as Administrator. This gives the app the permissions it needs to launch properly, especially after updates or system changes. The second fix is to reset your network settings. Sometimes Discord won't open because of connection issues. Press Windows+R, type CMD, and run it as administrator. Then type the following commands one by one: IP protocol configuration /flushtens net winsock reset. After that, restart your computer and try opening Discord again. The third fix is to check your antivirus or firewall. Some security programs may block Discord from opening. Temporarily disable your antivirus or allow Discord through the firewall, then try launching the app again. And that's it. These are 3 quick ways to fix Discord not opening on your computer in 2026. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.